So you will go to just Google and search Kobotoolbox. So yeah, they are like, you have to create an account because you don't have an account, and here you will come to Kobo humanitarian response, and I will click in here. Okay, so we will have to go to create an account. So this account will be used as a server to manage all the data that you'll be creating and everything. I think I've logged into different accounts. Let me log out. I'm gonna create an account. Let me log out. Internet connection challenge. Okay. Yeah, I can see we have a connection problem, but please bear with me. So when you go to creating an account, I hope you can see my screen actually. When you go to create an account, you will have to put some of the details here over the things like the name. You can really create a very, very simple saver that will be very used for you to manage your data that you collected, and it will go there to your saver. So I'm gonna create a very, very simple for just an introduction for this. Like it's need your name. The name I'm gonna go with intern, and organization I'm gonna go with the crowd to map. And username, we're going to call it crowd to map. I'm gonna use my email address. No need of second everything. This I can also create this password. I'm gonna use like okay, and then I'm going to say create an account. So I'm just preparing for my saver. This is gonna act like my saver to the password field don't match. Okay, I think I messed somewhere. Let me try. Okay. Wow, I think of somewhere something is missing here. Okay. Okay, so that means like I've created it and they tell me to go to my email account to do some verification. Like, so I will have to go to my email account and see what link did they send. Okay, yeah, so they send me a link. So we'll have to open, and you will do the same thing. And then they told me to confirm your account, give the access of this, please, to finish activation of your account. So this is everything. Okay, and then I'm going to click on here. What is this actually? Let me activate first. I have to click in here. I don't know why it's taking some second. Perfect. So now the server is already created, and now I'm in the stage of starting designing some of the project and everything. So this is the area where you can now create your questionnaires or questions. And this is also the place where when you collect some of the information, they will be served into this area. Before creating the questionnaire and everything, you have to be very sure on what are you really going to collect the form for collecting information. So for me, I'm gonna demonstrate a very, very simple. Like when I want to create a new project, like I want to collect some data by using maybe smartphone, I'm always going to new, and I'm going to say, so it's always I'm trying to, I'm gonna collect a very, very simple one, maybe ATM, our bank info. This is a simple one. And the description is collecting the locations and services provided by banks. And then I say, okay, create a project. What? Okay, so it's gonna tell me to please wait. Let's see. So the form is already created. I mean, the project is already created. So when the project is already created, it's like giving like this interface here to be ready to create some of the question that you want to include them when you want to collect the information about some bank information of where you are, or depend with what data you want to collect. So this simple one is like I've created just a form to show on how you can collect the information about the bank. You can create the form depend on what information you want to collect. Example, So if I want to design some of the question, I will go to this option and I will add the question, maybe name, start with the name of a bank. And then I will add the question. So when you're creating this kind of question, you have to ask yourself, if I'm asking this kind of question, what kind of data will I get? So the name of the bank is always the answer will come with the text. So I will choose the text. So I will choose the answer. I'm expecting the answer to be in text format. And then I will add another question like after they put the name, maybe street name. So also the street name will come with the text. Okay, so after the street name, maybe you will add some of the other question, but for me, I will ask, does this bank have ATM? This please. So this is either yes or no question. So I will add select one and I will put those case. Oh no. So if the question is like, I will add this next time. So after selecting this, like name of the bank, street name, does bank has an ATM, and I will take the location. So location of a bank. So location, I'm adding the question. So the location one will has to record a point. So we'll add a point. So it will record the point. This is a very, very simple demonstration of the form. What else should I add? Maybe a picture of a form. Can you take a picture? Take a pic of a bank. Okay, so I'm taking some of it is a picture here, and I'm going to save my form. So I've changed this changes, and then so I'm going back to preview my form. Go to project. And I'm going to deploy to see how it's look like. It's gonna take some seconds to preview, I think. Okay, so now I have like, this is the form, but I have like option of changing the language here, maybe in Swahili or English, like here. So you will choose which language would you use to collect your information. So after this, you will have to deploy. So you are going to, I'm going to click on deploy to make sure my form now, I'm making my form to be ready to share with other devices, maybe a smartphone or other things. Actually, when I take this link and share it with you, you can be able to collect the information by using the link that I'm gonna share it with you. But also will show you how you can sorry, how you can actually connect it with the phone, smartphone, and the ODK form that you can download it, application that you can download it into the phone. So I'm going to share the link, this link, so you can also try to see how it's work on your devices. So this is like, I'm going to share here. That's the link that you can use